Hello students, let us continue the session on revision of quadratic equations. We had solved till question 16, we shall continue from question 17 onwards. Question 17 is solve for x. Root of 6x plus 7 minus 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Here it is not like a standard form of a quadratic equation. We have to do something about that. The given equation is root of 6x plus 7 minus of 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Let me square on both the sides. Squaring on both sides, we get 6x plus 7. Let me write this equation as equal to by transposing the terms. So 6x plus 7 equal to 2x minus 7 whole square. Let me simplify this. So 6x plus 7 will become equal to 4x square plus 49 minus 28x. Further, I will write as 4x square negative 34x plus 42 equal to 0. Throughout, I can divide by 2, therefore 2x square minus 17x plus 21 equal to 0. Now look at the sum. It has to be negative 17 and the product has to be 42. It's possible with the numbers 14 3s are 14 into 3. If both are negative, we get positive 42. If minus 14 is added to minus 3, we get it as negative 17. Therefore 2x square minus 14x minus 3x plus 21 equal to 0. Group them. The first two terms, 2x is common, x minus 7 minus 3 is common, x minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 7 is common into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. The values of x are 7 are positive 3 by 2. Sorry, this is 3 by 2. Alright, these are the roots. Next, question number 18 is finding the root by the method of completing the square. Let me tell, in the completing square method, constant term will transpose it to the right hand side, and half of the coefficient of x square we will add and subtract on both the sides. Let me do that. So x square minus 4x can be written as positive 8. Now add and subtract half of the coefficient of x whole square on both the side. So let me add on both the side. Instead of adding and subtracting, I'll add on both the side. I'll be getting, this becomes 2 square, so x minus 2 whole square will be equal to, this is 8 plus 4 is 12. So taking root on both the side, we get x minus 2 as root of 12. It has to be plus or minus, so x minus 2 is plus or minus, it can be written as 4 3 times, so 2 root 3. So x will be equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. The values of x are 2 plus 2 root 3 and 2 minus 2 root 3. These are the roots. Question 19. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. It is also equal to 3 times the product of the digit. Find the number. Since they have given that it's a 2-digit number, if you consider the units place and the tens place as x and y, let digit at units place and tens place, then a number thus the number will be like 10y plus x. This is a common way of expressing a 2-digit number. According to the condition, the 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of their digits. So the 2-digit number 10y plus x is 4 times sum of their digits y plus x or x plus y. Let me further simplify this. We'll be getting 10y plus x equal to 4y plus 4x. Upon transposing, we get 6y equal to 3x. Is nothing but 2y equal to x. Let me call this as equation 1. They have also given that it is also equal to 3 times the product of the digits. So the given number 10y plus x is also equal to 3 times the product of the digits. Now this is our equation 2. Let me use equation 1. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. What do we get? This is our equation 1. We have to substitute in this equation. So 10y plus, instead of x, we will write as 2y equal to 3 times, instead of x, 2y multiplied to y. Therefore this will become 12y equal to 6y square, or else 2y equal to y square. So the equation can be written as y square minus 2y equal to 0. I can take y as common, y minus 2 equal to 0. This implies either y is 0 or is 2. The number at the tens place should not be equal to 0. So this should be rejected. Therefore y value I have to take it as 2. Therefore x value becomes 4. So what is the number? The given number is, therefore the number is 10y plus x. So 20 plus 4, 24 is the number. Question number 20. In a cricket match, Harbhajan took 3 wickets, less than twice the number of wickets taken by Zahir. The product of the number of wickets taken by these two is 20. Represent the above situation in the form of a quadratic equation. Here they have not asked you to solve the quadratic equation. You have to just make the equation. For this, let me consider, let the number of wickets taken by Zahir be x. Therefore the number of wickets taken by Harbhajan will be 2x minus 3, because Harbhajan takes 3 wickets, less than twice the number of wickets. So 3 is subtracted from 2 times of x. According to the condition, they have given the product of these two. So x multiplied to 2x minus 3 is equal to 20, or else I'll write as 2x square minus 3x minus 20 equal to 0. So to obtain the quadratic equation, we have to stop at this point. Further, if they ask, find the number of wickets, then you have to solve this equation by either splitting middle term or by using quadratic formula. Question 21. Find the value of x. They have not given a quadratic equation which is of a standard form. So we have to do something about this. Let me rewrite the given equation. Root of 2x plus 9 plus x equal to 13. The best thing is I will transpose the x term to the right side. It becomes 13 minus x. Now square on both the sides. We get 2x plus 9 equal to 13 minus x whole square. So 2x plus 9 will become equal to 169 plus x square minus 26x. Further, the given equation becomes x square minus 28x plus 160 equal to 0. Now look at this. 160 is the product and 28 is a sum. If you do 20 multiplied to 8, we definitely get 160, and 20 added to 8 is 28. So that makes the given middle term as minus 20x minus 8x plus 160 equal to 0. Group them and take common. X is common, we get x minus 20, and minus 8 is common. Again we get x minus 20 equal to 0. Now x minus 20 is common, x minus 8 equal to 0. The values of x are 8 or 20. Question 22. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Here I can use splitting the middle term. Sum I have to get as 7 and product I need to get as 5 root 2 multiplied to root 2, nothing but 10. It's very simple. 5 multiplied to 2 becomes 10. 5 added to 2 becomes 7. So root 2x square plus, I'll write 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now observe, I'll take root 2x as common. I'll be getting x plus root 2. The reason is 2 is nothing but root 2 multiplied to root 2. Same way, 5 is taken common. I'll get x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now x plus root 2 is taken common. Root 2x plus 5 remains. Therefore, the value of x are negative root 2 or negative root 5 by, sorry. It's not root 5, it's negative 5 by root 2. These are the roots. Question number 23. Find the value of k for which the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 8 equal to 0 will have equal roots. We have learned that possibility of getting equal roots is when the value of discriminant is equal to 0. So for equal roots, we have d equal to 0. D is nothing but b square minus 4ac equal to 0. I transpose 4ac to the right hand side, I'll get b square equal to 4ac. Now b square is nothing but k square equal to 4 times a is 2 and c is 8. 8 4s are 32 multiplied to 2 is 64. So k square is 64. K is plus or minus root of 64. Therefore, there are two values, either positive 8 or negative 8. These are the roots of the, these are the values of k. Question 24. We have to solve for x. And in this question, we need to find two numbers such that their sum is 10 and the product is 7 root 3 multiplied to root 3, nothing but 21. We all know 7 3 times is 21 and 7 added to 3 will be 10. Therefore, the middle term I can split it as 7x plus 3x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Grouping, we get here only x is common. I'll write as root 3x plus 7 plus, in these two there is a root 3 common, so root 3x will remain plus 7 equal to 0. You must have understood this. 3 is nothing but root 3 multiplied to root 3, so one of the root 3 is taken out, root 3 remains. Therefore, root 3x plus 7 is taken common. We are left with x plus root 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is negative 7 by root 3 or it is negative root 3. These are the roots. Next we have short answer type 2. The first question is solve for x, and they did not give a quadratic equation. We have to make quadratic equation using the given equation. Here they have given x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 added to x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 equal to 4 minus 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. So the best possible thing what to do is to take the LCM on both the sides. If you take the LCM, we'll be getting the product x minus 1 times of x plus 2. If this product is there in the denominator, this x plus 1 has to be multiplied with x plus 2 plus x minus 2 has to be multiplied with x minus 1, which is equal to, here the LCM is x minus 2, therefore 4 has to be multiplied with x minus 2 minus, since minus is there, it becomes minus 2x minus 3. This step is very important. Most of you will go wrong in this step. Here it is negative multiplied to both the terms. Distributivity should be used. Let's multiply. This becomes x square plus x plus 2x plus 2. In other words, x plus 2x should be added. We will be getting x square plus 3x plus 2 plus same way x square, this becomes negative 3x plus 2 divided by, in the denominator we will be having x square positive x negative 2, because here it's minus 1 and plus 2, equal to, this becomes 4x minus 8 minus 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 2. Let's simplify this further. Here we have 3x getting cancelled. We will be having 2x square plus 4 divided by x square plus x minus 2 equal to 4x minus 2x is only 2x, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11 divided by x minus 2. Now it's very important to cross multiply. Upon cross multiplication it becomes x minus 2 times 2x square plus 4 equal to 2x minus 11 times x square plus x minus 2. Let us further simplify this. We will get 2 times x cube plus 4x minus 4 times x square minus 8 equal to 2 times x cube plus 2 times x square minus 4x minus 11 times x square minus 11 times x plus 22. Certain terms will get cancelled here. Let me change the color and show you. Here 2x cube present on both the sides, they get cancelled. Then here we have 2x square minus 11x square, it becomes minus 9x square. When we transpose this side, it becomes 5. So let me write the equation obtained. It is 5x square, 11x, 4x, and one more 4x. We have to simplify. We get it as plus 19x minus 30 equal to 0. Here we have 22. When we transpose this minus 8, it becomes 30, right? Now we have to have the sum of two numbers as positive 19 and the product has to be negative 150. It is possible with the numbers minus 6 and 5. The two numbers which make is minus 25 times 6 and minus 25. So it's plus 25 and minus 6. So if you use that, we get 5x square plus 25x minus 6x plus 30 equal to 0. We have to take 5x common in the first two terms. We'll be getting x plus 5 minus 6 common, x plus 5 equal to 0. Here it was negative 30. For this it's minus 30 here. So x plus 5 is common. 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is negative 5 or positive 6 by 5. Let us solve this second question and we shall wind up the session. This will be the last question for today's session. Here they have not given a direct quadratic equation. We have to make quadratic equation using the terms which are given here. So the best thing what we can do is take the LCM and then cross multiply. Here the LCM will be x minus 3 multiplied to 2x plus 3. So this first term 2x has to be multiplied with 2x plus 3. The second term 1 has to be multiplied with x minus 3, and the third term we need not multiply anything because the denominator itself is x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. When you cross multiply into 0, it becomes a 0. For the simplification, it becomes 4 times x square plus 6x plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So 4 times x square. Here we have 6x, x and 3x all are positive, so it becomes 10x. Then we have negative 3, positive 9. It will be positive 6 equal to 0. Now we can take 2 common. We'll be getting 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a simple quadratic equation, can be solved easily. The sum is 5 and the product is 6. 3 added to 2 and 3 multiplied to 2 would work for the given equation. So this equation implies 2x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 multiplied to x is taken common, plus 1 is taken common, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. The value of 2x plus 3 multiplied to x plus 1 equal to 0. The value of x is negative 1 or negative 3 by 2. These are the roots of the given equation. That's all for today's session. Thank you.